So you can see that there's this hole that runs down here, and when you line up these arrows all up with each other, you can see straight through there. So when you put your string in, you need it to go straight through there, and then it'll come out the other side, and that's how we're going to restring it. So I'm going to put this back on. Alright, so we're going to cut some whipper snipper wire off, just a foot. Now we're going to line up these arrows. You can see that arrow is lined up and go all the way to the other side. So now we're going to point the string, or point the whipper snipper wire so it's pointing downwards, and we're going to find that hole, feed it through, and see, it's come out the other side. So let me just even that up, and then just by holding this and twisting, your wire's in place now.